Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today our question is cube root of x minus 40 plus cube root of minus x plus 3 is equal to minus 1. So here our job is to find the value of x. Now first of all we are going to just suppose that this cube root of x minus 40 is equal to a and this cube root of minus x plus 3 is equal to b. So here let us suppose that a is equal to cube root of x minus 40 and b is equal to cube root of minus x plus 3. So now here we have, if we just take cube on both hand side, so this equation will be a cubed is equal to cancelling cube with cube root, so we get x minus 40. And similarly taking cube of this equation on both hand side, so we will get b cubed is equal to that minus x plus 3. So now if we just substitute these values of a and b in our problem, so we will get that it is equal to a, so a plus b is equal to minus 1. Let's say it is our equation number 1. So now here if we are going to add these two equations, so here then we get a cubed plus b cubed is equal to x minus 40 and minus x plus 3. So here we have cancelling plus x and minus x, so we have a cubed plus b cubed is equal to, here we have minus 40 plus 3, we will get minus 37. So it is our value of a cube plus b cubed, and we will use later in our steps. So now if we are going to take cube of this equation 1, so taking cube of this equation 1 as equation 1 implies that a plus b is equal to minus 1. So taking cube on both hand side, then we have a plus b whole cubed is equal to minus 1 whole cubed. Now we have, as we know that a plus b whole cube, according to exponential identity, we have a cubed plus b cubed plus 3 times a times b times a plus b, which is equal to minus 1 cubed is equal to minus 1. Now we know that here this a cube plus b cubed, according to this equation, it is equal to minus 37. So we are going to put the value of a cube plus b cube plus 3 times a times b, and here this a plus b is equal to minus 1 according to equation 1. So we are going to put this value here is equal to minus 1. Now we have shifting this minus 37 to our right hand side, then we have this minus multiplied by this plus, then we get minus 3 times a times b, which is equal to minus 1 plus 37. Now we have that minus 3 times a times b is equal to plus 36. Now we are going to find the value of ab, so we have to divide minus 3 on both hand side, cancelling negative sign, so 3 with 3, we have value of ab is equal to minus 12. Here we have a times b is equal to minus 12. Let's say it is our equation number 2. So we have two equations here, that our equation 1 is a plus b is equal to minus 1 and equation 2 is a times b is equal to minus 12. Now we are going to just write our equation 1 here, which is a plus b is equal to minus 1. So if we find the value of b here, then we will get minus 1, this plus a will be negative a. Now putting this value of b, putting this in equation number 2, so putting in equation number 2, then our equation number 2 will be, here we have equation 2 implies that here a times b, b is equal to minus 1 minus a, which is equal to minus 12. Now multiplying a into parentheses, then we will get here a times minus 1 is minus a squared. Shifting this one, we will get plus 12 is equal to 0. Now if we multiply both hand side by minus 1, then we will get it will be plus a squared, and here plus a and plus will be minus 12, that is equal to 0. Now it is a nice quadratic equation. We have to solve it by using factorization method because it is factorable. So a squared, if we just multiply 4 times 3, then we get 12. So here we just write plus 4a minus 3a. These are the factors of this plus a here. So plus 4 minus 3a we will get plus a minus 12 is equal to 0. Now here we are going to take common. So in first pair a square plus 4a, we will get a times a plus 4. Here we have minus 3 is common, then we will get a minus times minus is plus 4 is equal to 0. So I hope you have understand all these steps. Here we have a plus 4 is common factor, so we just write a plus 4 times here we have a minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have two possible cases, that this a plus 4 is equal to 0 and a minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have a is equal to minus 4, it is first value of a, and here a is equal to 3, it is second value of a. Now we are going to recall, as we have that this actually a cubed, according to this equation we have that a cubed is equal to x minus 40 and b cubed equal to this one. So we are going to use a cubed here, that a cubed is equal to x minus 40. So when a is equal to minus 4, then minus 4 cubed is equal to, here we have x minus 40. Now minus 4 cubed, it is equal to that minus 64. Shifting this one, then we get plus 40 is equal to x. So x is equal to, here we have minus 64 plus 40, then we can write here minus 24. So x is equal to 20 minus 24. It is first value of x, let's say it is x1. Now when a is equal to 3, then again using this equation, so a cubed is equal to x minus 40. Now a cubed is 3, so 3 cubed is equal to x minus 40. Then 3 cubed is equal to 27. Shifting this minus 40, we will get plus 40 is equal to x. So x is equal to, here 7, 4 and 2 is 6, 67. So it is second value of x. Hence we have two values of x, x1 is equal to minus 24 and x2 is equal to 67. So this is what we have to just find out, the value of x. Now we are going to just verify our result for both these values. Now for verification, let's verify our result. We have to just recall our problem. So our problem is that cube root of x minus 40 plus cube root of minus x plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Now we are going to just verify these two values. So first of all, we use when x1 is equal to minus 24. Now putting this value here, so 24 minus 24, it is minus 24 minus 40. Cube root can also be written as whole to the power 1 over 3, plus similarly minus times x is minus 24 plus 3 whole to the power 1 over 3, is it equal to minus 1. Now as we know that minus 24 minus 40, that we just write negative sign here, so 4 here, and 4 plus 2 is 64 minus 64 whole to the power 1 over 3. Similarly, plus minus time minus is plus. 24 plus 3 is 27 whole to the power 1 over 3. Is it equal to minus 1? Now, our next step is here. This minus 64 can also be written as that minus 4 cube whole to the power 1 over 3 plus 27 is written as 3 cubed whole to the power 1 over 3. Is it equal to minus 1? Now cancelling 3 with 3 we get minus 4, and here cancelling 3 with 3 we get plus 3. Is it equal to minus 1? So yes, it is equal to minus 1 because minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Hence our left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side of this equation. So first value of x1, that is minus 24, it is valid. So here we just write our answer here. That first part of our answer is that value of x is minus 24 is valid for this problem. Now we are going to just verify our second value here, which is x2 is equal to 67. So using our problem here, that cube root of x minus 40 plus cube root of minus x plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Now when x is equal to, where x is x2, that is 67. So here 67 minus 40 whole to the power 1 over 3 plus minus 67 plus 3 whole to the power 1 over 3. Is it equal to minus 1? Now this 67 minus 40, it is equal to, that is 7, 6 minus 4 is 2 whole to the power 1 over 3. So plus here we get 67 plus 3 we get minus 64 whole to the power 1 over 3. Is it equal to minus 1? So here 27, that is equal to 3 to the power 3 times 1 over 3 plus minus 4 to the power 3 times 1 over 3. Is it equal to minus 1? Now cancelling 3 with 3 we have 3, and here we have cancelling 3 with 3, minus time plus is minus 4. Is it equal to minus 1? So here it is minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. So our left hand side of this equation is equal to the right hand side. Hence we prove that both these values are valid for this problem. So x2 is 67, it is our second answer. So these are two values of x that we have just find out by using all these steps. Now we are going to just check our final answer here and entire solution step by step. I have done this problem by doing each step, so I hope you have understand all these steps one by one. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.